Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on your app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on your app and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.